Hi everybody, it's me and Esprit again today. I just wanted to show you how a well-practiced groundwork pattern can help keep your horse calm. Today is a super windy day here. We've had 2 days of kind of crazy weather. That's not always conducive to calm horse training. A lot of equestrians on days like today will choose not to ride their horse or work their horse because of the rain and because they worry that the horse is going to be too spooky. But I do want to show you how this well-practiced groundwork pattern will help you keep your horse calm and productive, even if they get a little upset or distracted by something. So I'm kind of hoping while we demonstrate this groundwork pattern that something's actually going to happen to distract Esprit, so you can see how we can continue on with the groundwork pattern while she's a little bit upset, so that the pattern itself helps to calm her down and get her a good productive workout. I'm going to step aside, get Esprit to step aside, and show you. Hopefully you can see in the shot I've placed an umbrella on the other side of the arena, and because it is so windy today, I'm hoping at some point that umbrella might move, and that might be what causes her to get upset. But you can see she is aware of the wind and can get a little bit distracted. Okay, so here goes. Let's give it a try. Back up, buddy. So I'm just going to move her shoulders and her hind legs and send her out onto the lunge circle. That's a little bit annoying. Distracted her, made her jump a little, but I'm going to continue to ask her to work and move right along. It didn't leave, or her umbrella hasn't moved yet. It's not helping me out. Sure up. Good. Come on, baby. Go on. She's looking at the umbrella over there. But I'm going to continue asking her to work, even though it's over there. Come on, buddy. Go. Walk. Now, use my groundwork pattern to stop her and turn her around. Hind legs crossing. And send her back out to the lunge circle. Sure. Alright, so as you can see, she doesn't get overly concerned. It's part of the reason I bought her, because she has such a nice temperament. Maybe I should have brought a spookier horse in for that demonstration, but windy days are a great time to go back to your groundwork and use your well-practiced groundwork to keep your horse relaxed and calm and paying attention to you. So next day it's not windy, make sure you take out about 5 or 10 minutes of your workout time to work on a pattern that's very familiar for your horse, so that they can stay calm and relaxed. Okay, see you next time.